Masquerade saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kitanka kuya panini channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa karo subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe tapigirai nyaburitwa ni one of my Zimbabwean political activist Brian Mari Uyabuda achi present a petition to SADC mare Zimbabwe achitaura iye achiti Zimbabwe haina authority yakuholda the chairmanship yeSADC zvakare haikudeserve kuwanikwa ichiholda the SADC summit mare Zimbabwe. Abuda on his X handle tofunga there is a trending topic iripo pa Twitter mare Zimbabwe ya this petition ya Brian Mari. It's trending all over Twitter. Wanachitaura iwo vachiti they want to sign this petition yekuti SADC summit isawanikwe ichiitwa muno muZimbabwe. Abuda on his X handle Brian Mari akanyora achiti, dear SADC, I as Zimbabwean am waiting to see how you intend to do a summit in Zimbabwe and give a person without authority from his people the chairmanship of your organization. This is on the background of your own SADC election observer mission report. The test is on you as our police and not on the thief. Ndo zvakabuda zvitaurwa na Brian Mari mare Zimbabwe. His petition yakanyorwa iyo yakanzi the chair SADC organ on politics, defense and security, SADC House, plot number 53485, Central Business District, Gaborone, Republic of Botswana. Reference searching and the petition on intrastate dispute resolution. So 1. We are undersigned citizens of Zimbabwe, having inherent birthright to Zimbabwe state and all institutions, hereby petition your office on the following. 2. It is common cause that SADC is a regional organization established in terms of Article 52 of United Nations Charter. And 3. The organ on politics, defense and security is an institution of SADC whose specific objectives include protecting the people and safeguarding the development of the region against instability arising from breakdown of law and order, intrastate conflict and aggression, and the organ shall seek to manage and resolve intrastate conflict peacefully and intrastate conflict that threaten legitimate authority of state is a conflict within jurisdiction of the organ. Furthermore, it is common cause that Zimbabwe had disputed election in 2008 where SADC brokered the GNU pending the adoption of the constitution by the people of Zimbabwe. 7. On this basis, the 2013 Constitution of Zimbabwe is an explicit expression by people of Zimbabwe on how they want to be governed. In August 2023, there was a general election which was observed by SADC and more organizations after being accredited by Zimbabwe Electoral Commission to give a comprehensive report on partiality and compliance with laws of Zimbabwe by Electoral Management Body. The report of the findings was also given to the chair of the SADC organ on politics, defense and security. It was clearly spelled in the report that the elections did not meet the obligations of Zimbabwe Constitution. It is also in public domain that a presidential candidate lodged a claim with the chair of organ and the response is still yet to come. Now we are reliably informed that Zimbabwe is hosting the next scheduled SADC summit and Zimbabwe will be expected to chair the summit. While it is common knowledge that the jurisdiction of conflict management is with Troika and Tanzania is the incoming chair of the organ, it is provoking and disrespect of the people of Zimbabwe for SADC to grace illegitimate authority and reward the breakers of law. It is in our peace-loving expectation that SADC respect our humility and enforce the obligations of Zimbabwe's constitution and restore legitimate authority in the country. We are determined to approach UN Security Council should you fail to honor your obligations. No drop of blood should be shed in order to implement what our own constitution directs. We give you a chance to pronounce our policy on elections that do not meet internal laws and suggest to us a way to implement the obligation of our constitution peacefully. We hope you will not be an obstacle to the legitimate expectations of peace-loving citizens of Zimbabwe. Though a petition ya submit a petition iri kusainwa nemazimbabweans muri Zimbabwe yavari kuda kusubmita kuSADC. Tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe. Kutaura kwatiri kuita maZambians are also saying kuti Zimbabwe should not host the SADC summit. Vachitaura ivo vachiti it is a threat to their delegation muri Zimbabwe. Vakambothreatenwa ana Nevis Mumba nana Hakainde Hichilema. Tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section. Joseph Kalimbwe ora iye achiri it is not safe for the Zambian delegation kuti iwanikwe ichiatenda the SADC summit iri kuitwa muna August mu Zimbabwe. Ataura iye achiti the summit should be moved from Harare yoitwa ku Johannesburg, Gaborone or ku Windhoek for the sake of neutrality muri Zimbabwe. Abuda achitaura iye achiti last 15 months life ya Nevis Mumba yakathreatenwa mushure mekunge akaburitsa the SADC observer mission report zvakare the life ya Zambian president Hakainde Hichilema yakathreatenwa zvakare chinzi pane death threats akaissuiwa on member states. Akataura iye achiti so it is not safe for the Zambian delegation kuti wanikwe attend this summit mu Harare. Akabuda on his ex handle achitaura achiti in the past 15 months Mumba was life threatened. 2, a Zambian president was threatened. 3, death threats were issued on a member state. The threats outline that Zambians can be safe to attend a SADC summit in Harare. We are raising genuine concerns. Harare is hostile. Zvakabuda zvitaurwa na Joseph Kalimbwe. Akaenderera mberi zvakare achitaura iye achiti macitizens ekuMalawi they have joined nyaya iri kutaurwa nemazambian citizens yekuti the SADC summit should be moved away from Harare yoenda to a neutral venue. Akabuda achitaura achiti Malawi citizens seek to join calls for the Southern African Development Community Summit to be moved away from Harare to a neutral venue. The remarks made on 2 member states, Malawi and Zambia, being cited.